Hi there, everybody. My name is Axel, and I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa. This year, I'm 8 years old. My speech today is about not giving up. Keep going. Don't give up. Most people don't live their dreams, not because of failure, but because they give up. Those who succeed don't stop at failure. They don't stop at 10 failure. They don't stop at 100 failure, or thousands or millions. They say, this is my goal, and I'll do whatever it takes to achieve it. I'll learn my lesson from my failure. I'll learn faster. I'll work harder. I'll work smarter. And I will not quit until my dream is a reality. If failure is the end of your story, there'll be no great hero. Greats like Michael Jordan, great like Einstein, Edison, Oprah, JFK, and many more. If these people stop at failure, the world will not be filled with their greatness at least today. Failure is nothing but the lesson to the winner. Failure is nothing but the motivation to the winner. Failure is energy. I entered for the school Chinese public speaking competition twice. It was scary and I felt like giving up after losing both times. My mother decided it's time for me to get some coaching. So she enrolled me with Teacher Kim. I learned a lot from Teacher Kim and I'll try again. Teacher Kim said that competition is not about winning, but learning to be confident and doing our best. I'll never give up and I'll do my best. Don't let failure stop you. Let it grow you and develop you. Failure is not the end. It's just the start of your comeback story. The only way you call it a failure is if you quit. If you keep going, it will only be harder. Once you can overcome, never quit. Keep pushing and keep going. You get there in the end. Learn the lesson, apply the lesson, come out stronger than before. Keep going, and you will succeed. Thank you.